Okay guys, so I am now here in the kitchen. We're gonna start off with 2 glass bottles and I'm gonna show you how to make Ho'oponopono water. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Kartika Naya and you're watching Synchro Shakti. Today we're gonna look at Ho'oponopono water. What is it? Why do we use it? And how to make it. Okay, so let's start off with what is Ho'oponopono water. So I came across this concept quite many years ago through Dr. Hugh Len, who spoke about charging blue glass bottles that's filled with water, charging them out in the sun because of the vibration of the color blue has an effect on the water. When you charge your water with the vibration of the color blue and you're drinking that water, according to Dr. Hugh Len, it starts cleansing and cleaning out misaligned programs from your subconscious mind. There are other traditions as well that talk about blue water therapy. So you can look into that. You can Google blue water therapy. You'll learn more about it. But essentially, it is used as a tool to clean negativity from the body, from the mind, from your emotions, to release that and get to a calmer state of presence. Now, already in our case, I already practice mindfulness, I already practice Ho'oponopono, and in this house in Croatia, they've been doing blue water bottle therapy forever. So I don't know what has helped us, but it's all helped. So I want to share this with you as well today. So now let's go ahead and look at how to create this, and then I will come back and answer a few more things about this. And so let's get started to how to create Ho'oponopono water. Okay guys, so I am now here in the kitchen. We're gonna start off with 2 glass bottles and I'm gonna show you how to make Ho'oponopono water. So I start with taking these 2 blue bottles made out of blue glass, and then we're going to fill this up with drinking water. So you can take canned water, you can take your AquaGuard water, any drinkable water, and you will start filling this. So let's go ahead and fill this. So I here have a funnel and I have canned water and I'm just going to pour it in. Now that these 2 bottles are filled, we're going to take plastic covers like this. We're just going to place them over this and then we're going to take it out to charge in the sun. Alright, so we're outside and the bottles are kept here. Now usually they're kept over there when it is bright and sunny. So whenever it's a rainy climate, put it under a particular roof, but enough for the sunlight to come through. But if it was not going to rain, I would keep it outside. So this is outside where the sun is up like this. So I have another clip from Instagram where I put it outside over there. So I'll play that clip now. And now we're going to take this outside to charge in the sun. Now a good practice is to have 4 of these so that they can charge out in the sun. Here we have 2 are back inside the house. Make sure you're charging everything till the evening and then take them back home and then use whatever you need, and whenever they get empty, just fill them up, bring them back here to charge under the sun. Now the same water can be used, when you're cooking, you can put a few drops of this water in your food. When you're just, drinking a juice or making a smoothie, you can add this water into that as well. And that is how to create Ho'oponopono water. I've seen people put the blue color paper, like a transparent paper around the bottle. I've seen that also, but what we have used is actual blue bottles and it's pretty rare to find them, but I know one of my students, actually today she sent me a photo saying she received them. She bought it from a website that was selling blue therapy bottles, so blue water therapy bottles, so you can actually find them on the internet as well. I would prefer the glass ones because when it's painted blue, then that paint kind of chips off, the chemical chips off into the water, and that's not healthy. So let's go with the actual blue glass bottle. So if you're going to try out this technique, just type I am healed in the comments. Okay, and if you have questions, also ask it in the comments. And finally, the last thing is, last weekend on Sunday, we actually did the first Align with Abundance webinar. This is what someone had to say about the webinar. Now, this is not one person. We had hundreds of people who sent us reviews of that webinar. If you missed that class, this is why you want to attend it. So people said every word was soul cracking for me, and it came as oxygen, just like LIF, which is one of our courses. It was great, the best one I ever attended. We've done so many webinars over the last so many years, and this one was the best. It's very benevolent of the Academy to give out such information, which means we're teaching things that you wouldn't otherwise get. Lots of actionable advice that you can actually take back and do. There's a lot of depth of knowledge in each session, in each part of the webinar. So we got a lot of positive reviews on what people thought about the class. But would they recommend it to other people? It's one thing to like a class, but would you want other people to go through the same class? Most people said yes, and some of the reasons I really loved. I would recommend it because they too can become financially free. Yes, to attract their desires, it's empowering. It could be a little shorter, that's true, because we pack in a lot of information. Detailed with relevant case studies so you can learn how other people did it as well. It's a must to have for everyone for their well-being and abundance to money. It's a transformational journey. Yes, definitely, because in one day I can feel a tremendous shift in my energy and my thought patterns. First step to manifestation, which is healing one's inner self. This is what we talk about majorly. I hope this helps you. If you've been on the fence on attending this free class, I hope it helps you make that decision. Come register. You'll find the link in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on the 21st, 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and I look forward to seeing you there. If you still have questions regarding that, please comment it below, okay? Just comment below saying I am here. I look forward to hearing your experiences. I love you all, and thank you so much for watching, and namaste.